As you can see, it's a magnificent building. It's free to walk around from what I've heard. And this is on a Sunday, the 20th of July 2025. Usually the cars on a nice day are all piled up here as well. As you can see, it's fairly quiet today at the moment. There's some beautiful cars on show, and I'll show you around as we're walking. The Vauxhall.
Can you get through?
Yeah. What I've been in for. Yeah? Yeah. And he phoned me up on Monday, he says, you can have it. He said, can I?
Here in a minute. A friend of mine, his old car down, 1955. He's a friend of mine, I know of him.
Yeah, probably.
Old Citroen. Some very good nick. There's mine. MGB. Metro that was in front of me coming in, it was zooming along.
No, she still wants to do her own thing and not walk with us. Come on.
Series 1 Land Rover.
Yeah, I think she wants to do a food, Peter.
Oh.
Oh, no, too late.
MGB.
Great speaking to you. I'll keep you updated with it. So it actually works out really well, doesn't it?
Some fabulous cars.
That goes with most things now. I've got a camper that I bought when it was 2 years old.
Well, it never got finished, you know.
testing it with a bit of practice, because obviously you supply the car for me. But I'm going to
So it's been a good turnout today. So if you fancy a nice day out, come along, have a look. Some really nice cars. So if you're into more classic cars, this is the place to come. Free to the public. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye for now.